Hi everyone. I want to especially welcome you all today to our live trading session. So it's a new week already, and one of the basic things is to be able to understand the clear direction of the market. And this is something that a lot of young traders have, struggled with, and that's the reason for all I do as a mentor. Okay, even the vision of setting up KFC Training Academy is to help you, to guide you, and also to equip you. So straight up, I want you to begin to share out the links. Okay, share the links and let everyone know that we are live. Okay, let everyone know that we're live and that there's so much to receive from this particular live trading session. If you're a young trader, probably new in trading, if you are a professional, or you've been in the space and you have vast of experience, if you don't know anything about trading and you want to start your journey, you can actually start with us today. And I strongly believe that through this session, you're going to learn so much and you're going to begin your journey in trading with us. Then also, if you have quite some topics you would love for us to deliberate or talk about, you can easily just drop them on the comment section. If time permits, we're going to use this live trading session to dive into those topics and those areas. But if for any reasons we do not have that time, if time is not permissible to do that, then we can actually move it into the next live trading session and I'll get to answer all of your questions. So have you shared out the link? Share it out, share it out, share it out. Let everyone know that they can, they can actually participate in the live trading session right now. So, how was your weekend? I hope you were able to spend some time to study, make researches, and also be able to backtest your strategy. That's one thing you must do during the weekend, so that when you come into the new week, you come in with uh, better expectations to win, and then you have more reasons to win because you have actually been able to test out your strategy to see that it will carry you throughout the week. So quickly, let's move straight to the chat. I've been able to share out the links to my over 5,000 contacts on my mobile device. Then I have been able to post on my social media page, like on Facebook, with over 5,000 friends. Okay, and then with some of my few official page. So you too can do the same thing. Just make sure that the link gets to that person who needs to see what we are dealing on today. And so quickly, I'm going to just take you straight to the drawing board. Let's go straight to the chat so that we can begin today's discussion. So like we did the other time, I'm going to share the entire screen. Okay. Just to avoid coming back to reshare and you're not seeing the screen. Okay, so you're seeing the entire screen just in case. Quickly, I'm going to just take you through, excuse me, what is for the free community, because this free live trading class is for the free community And part of what I'm discussing with you is GBP USD, also known as GU, GBP JPY, also known as GJ. So I'm going to start off with the dollar index and just help you see what the dollar index has done so far. Just if you have missed the analysis, you're doing the wrong thing. Most of my market perception, my market explanation during the weekly analysis, usually as though it is prophetic, because it works exactly as I usually say they will most times. Take for instance, I said the DXY was going to retrace bullish, and then go bearish, of which I said at the opening of the market, we should be buying GU. Okay, should be buying GU, but that I will personally be interested to see that GU takes out an upside liquidity, and that one was gone. This is a new one, you see, and that's the reason why the buy that I posted earlier today was deleted. It wasn't posted on the free channel, so those of you on the free channel may not understand what I'm talking about. But those of you on the VIP channel, you know what I mean. I posted an entry for GU this morning, and just a few seconds, I deleted it. It doesn't mean that I didn't know what I was doing. It doesn't mean that I was not sure. It doesn't mean that there was FOMO. Okay, it just simply means that there were certain liquidities I needed to consider based on my strategy before outrightly telling you that we should go in. One of the things that keeps you in check in trading is when you keep to your rules. When you keep to your rules, we incurred a good number of loss last week, 2%, 2.5%. And this was as a result of not sticking to certain rules. Of course, a lot of people said the DXY was very unstable last week. But you see, your rules and your niche keeps you in check and gives you an edge over whatever happens in the market. So you're not profitable this week, and then the following week you are losing all that you made this week to the market. Your niche, your edge, and your rules will keep you in check. So this is it. I went in and I saw that this is going to be a massive buy on GU, because there was a massive bullish move on DXY, which I expected it to retrace, knowing that there was a key POI on this point. Okay, so I knew there was going to be a buy. Now, this is for the VIP community. There was no confirmation for the EU to buy. Okay, but for GU, I saw a buy from here. Okay, now there was a bearish liquidity based on my strategy. I don't know what your strategy might be, but I trade all the blocks. So I trade the bearish and the bullish order blocks. I find them at key areas based on my strategy, and I consider them my liquidities. So each time I find another block in a certain direction, what it tells me is that liquidity is still available to push price. And when I found this, I saw that price was still going to push downward, and that was why I deleted that entry. So this was supposed to be the entry point, and where the price got to was supposed to be the stop loss. That means everyone who went in with that ideology had been induced already. Okay, but what did price do after inducing them? It went bullish. It went bullish. So, but I will not be going in because I had this bullish order block or liquidity. Then I had this bearish order block or liquidity. The both of them needed to be checked out before I consider if I am going to be going into any trade. Okay, of which if you look closely now, you see that this has been taken out. Okay, it's been taken out. Then this hasn't really been taken out. So in this case, what it means is this is just being tested. Do you understand that now? It's just being tested. So that means what I'm going to wait for now is to see if I can get a bearish move, because looking at this closely, you see that price had taken out, it swiped out this, swiped out this. So there may be a bearish move that may just fill up to this point. Okay, so let's just look closely the XY. So we're correct. Okay, so we can actually just sell briefly, but let's see. I don't want to trade against the trend. So let me just quickly confirm the trend. Okay, so if you look closely, you see that the trend is bearish for DXY, of which since the trend for DXY is bearish, then it means that you should be buying. So if for any reason you are entering a bearish move on GU, you are either counter trading. So let's look at GU now and see what trend. Okay, now GU doesn't really have a trend. So you see why it is most likely possible that we can actually go in bearish. So did you see that? So we can actually go in bearish, but a short bearish move. So let's see how many pips that will give. If we had entered from the entry point, which is here, it should have given us 39. Wow. So this is good. So if we enter from here now, it will give us just about 23. So you see that now. So that's actually the entry point. So if you're with me and you want to go in for this trade, that's actually the supposed entry point. So, but if you're buying now, that's buying immediately, sorry, selling immediately, then you should know that your entry point is different. So this should be the take profit. Okay, so if you're going in now, it means your stop loss should be, let's say quickly, stop loss should be around here, which is risky. You might get induced. So let's just look at this. Let's say we have missed this entry, okay, because it's moved quite some pips already. I'm really moved that it was going to give us 40 pips, which is a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. It has already moved 14 pips. Let's see if it will retrace, because sometimes this market will retrace. If for any reason it retraces back to these entry points, then we're all going to go in. Okay, so stay at alert, stay on standby, all of you on the free channel. I'm going to be posting an update to let you know that we should go in again, which I strongly believe it will retrace back into the entry point. But otherwise, it's already moving. Stop chasing candles. If you are still chasing candles, then you are a novice in trading and you are not trading professionally. There's such a thing as trading professionally, and there's such a thing trading as a novice. Okay, so if you trade as a novice, chances are you will not make money in the system. Okay, so you may think you're making money, but in the long run, haven't put all your losses and your profits in cognizance, you will observe that you are on the negative. Okay, so trading is not about what you make today and tomorrow, it's about what you make in a long run. Okay, it's a long-term thing. Trading is not a short-term thing. If you keep seeing trading as short-term, then you're not ready for profitability. Profitability is about what you acquired in a long term. So trade professionally. Stop saying I'm not a professional trader. What's keeping you from being a professional trader? Straight up, let's go to our website, kfctrading.com, and I'll make it easy to you. We have a platform, a system where you don't even need to meet me physically. Okay, if you want to meet me physically, of course, that is sure you can. You just come to schedule booking. When you click on schedule booking, you're going to find direct mentorship to me. Okay, so this is it. One-on-one mentorship is just 340,000 naira. That's just about $200, and I'm going to be mentoring you directly for only 30 days. Okay, so you can do the math for 1 year. Only 30 days, but I sure promise you that after that 30 days, you will not blow accounts. Rather, you'll be profitable in the market and you will make definitely more than whatever you paid for the one-on-one mentorship. So that's aside. Because for those of you who say I have issues with the online system, I want something physical. Okay. So, but notwithstanding, we're in a digital age, we're in a digital time where digitalization and tech has made everything easy and has brought to your footstep, has brought to your doorstep everything you need. So there are certain things you don't need to go out from your closet, you don't need to go out from your house for. Just right there in your closet, you have access to them. And one of such is having access to direct mentorship and academy. in the professionalism in trading, and that's what KFC Trading Academy would provide you. So if you come straight to the website, you're going to find welcome to KFC Trading Academy. Click on enroll. It brings you straight up into the mentorship plan. So you're going to choose your mentorship plan based on what you want. Now take note, we have a coupon for 25% discount, which will be expiring tomorrow. Yeah, it will be expiring tomorrow, I think about 12 noon or thereabout. So if you want to take advantage of that promo, then make sure you get on board today, because from tomorrow that coupon will become invalid. So this is where you put the coupon code, and you're gonna get 25% discount into our membership on our website. So once you are subscribed, we have what we call the VIP membership courses. You're only going to have access to these courses if you have been subscribed into the membership. Now, this is membership 1.0 up until membership 7.0. What does it mean? It means that we have 7 courses put up together to equip you, to strengthen you, to educate you, and to get you into professionalism. So you say, oh, I want to be a professional trader. This is what KFCTrading.com will do for you. It's a solution that I designed, founded by me, built by me, everything all by me, even tutoring all by me. So what else are you looking for? Listen, one of the reasons why I thought about coming up with a solution like this was because I was once in your stage. I was once in your level where I knew nothing. I was novice in trading, and I lost quite some money because I thought I knew what I was doing. But no, I was doing it wrong. And no one was available to guide. Okay, you find yourself in that point, that area where you want to be mentored, but you don't have access into mentorship, and the solid mentorship you want to do are quite expensive, and you're not able to get that. But this is what KFC Trading has come to solve you or help you as a solution. If you look at our VIP mentorship plans, you will see that we have cheap mentorship plan, like the monthly plan. You see, it's 35,000, of which with 25% discount, you already have smaller amount to pay. So you're supposed to be paying about $20 for those of you outside Nigeria. But with the 25% discount, you already have $15 to pay. So with $15, you have access to all the VIP courses in 30 days. You see that now. That means you can actually learn. There's no way you can learn the VIP mentorship at least the 1.0 and misbehave in trading. Because in each of these courses, I have carefully poured out ideology in trading, the best ideology in trading, okay? Of which, with such ideology, you're going to come into trading right. Because the problem is many have come into trading wrongly. I was one of such people, and I thought I can create a solution, and that's KFC Trading does. So this is the solution. Nobody's with you, nobody's there to mentor you, but on kfctraining.com, you can get on board. You can get into the VIP membership courses. You can take these courses all by yourself, and you can learn everything about trading. You can take these courses one per month, because they are, if you look at them, there are 7 classes, because they are 1 week each for those who were with us live. Okay, so we have seven classes for each month. You can see it's 7 classes for each month, which is 1 week. And it's really broad. Some of them are like up to an hour. So you can actually break it down to simplify it for yourself and say, okay, I'm going to be doing one course for 2 months. And in 14 months, you have completed a mentorship course, of which I must tell you from experience, with 14 months, which is just about 1 year and 4 months, you can actually perfect your trading skill. One of the best times to become a profitable trader is having traded for at least 2 years. And that is what this is about. Let me just quickly look at our GU. Okay, so you can see it is currently retracing. Let's just see if it can still get back into the entry point. If it doesn't, then let's see. From here, 20 pips. Okay, I think at this point, for those of you who really want to go in, you can actually go in from here. Just that from this point, you're going to be risking more than what you should have risked if you went in at the previous entry. So at the previous entry, we're risking just about, I think, just about 15 pips or thereabouts. Yes, so we're risking about 16 pips with the previous entry. But with this current entry now, we're going to be risking 20 pips. So it's a sell on GU. So go in now. So we're going to be selling, and we're going to be catching. We're going to be catching at least 25 pips, at least for today. Okay, so we're going to use this to go into the New York session. Are you ready? So if you're ready, then go all in. GU sell now. Okay, so that's it for all our communities. Go to the free and the VIP. Sell GU now. All right, so we can only do this because GU is ranging. Okay, I have told myself that for some time now, I do not want to be counter trading. Personally, I do not want to be counter trading. I would prefer to I prefer to follow the trend. Yeah, it's part of my rules for my strategy, and it helps me win. Okay, it's part of my A setup rules. Okay, so I want to stick to my A setups because I have quite some money I'm building this period, and I must focus on S setups. If I do my B setups, C setups, I may not be able to achieve my targets. Okay, so let me post on the community so that everybody on the community can see. Okay, so GU sell now. So if you're connected to this live trading session, make sure you are trading too, because that's the essence. The essence is to trade with me live so that you can be guided and also learn a few and get live entries. So the stop loss to maintain 20 pips, let's just take 29733. Okay, 29733. Let's maintain 20 pips. So we have 29733. Okay, stop loss. And then our take profit should be 29221. Okay, 29221. All right, so that's it for GU, and this might be the only entry for today. So make sure you maximize it, make sure you take advantage of it. Okay, it's almost time for New York session. So once the New York session starts, I believe the New York session will move this market to our take profit. Now, one thing I want us to do this week is take the SL and take the TP. I hope you heard that. Take the SL and take the TP. Because the truth is, if you keep avoiding taking the SL, you may never take the TP. And if you keep closing before your SL, chances are your brain will definitely secrete same hormone that make you close before your SL to close your profit before your TP. But if you train yourself into trading A setups and you are ready to take your stop loss and you take your take profit often with a good risk to reward ratio, you will be profitable. Because by the time you count your losings and you count your winnings, you will be profitable. But if you keep closing and short moves, you will not be profitable. Mark my words. So make sure you put your stop loss. Don't say because you are in this live class you forgot to put your stop loss. Please make sure you put your stop loss. So I'm actually putting my own stop loss. Now make sure your TP is not too far from the exact TP. Okay, make sure it's not too far because it would be nice that even though the spread increases, that you are taking in. You notice sometimes price gets to your TP and it doesn't take you in. It's because of your spread. Or price gets to your stop loss and it takes you out. When it shouldn't take you out, it's because of your spread as well. Okay, so for EU, um, we should have sold since from here. EU is going far. Okay, so I don't know if we should go in now. So this is the VIP signal. Sorry, this is a VIP signal. So for the VIP community, just hold on. We didn't go in at the right time. Hold on. It's may retrace. Okay, it may retrace. So once it retraces back to this, at least let's just retrace. Once it retraces, I'm going to give an update, and I'll let you know when to sell. Do not chase candles. Please do not chase candles. Don't be a market chaser. If you're a market chaser, you will always be victimized by the market. But if you always let the market come to you, you will always be smarter than the market. Okay, that's one of the best way to trade smart. So let's wait. I can see that entry, but uh, we need to uh, we need to confirm that. Okay, before we. Sorry, let me just for this proper account that I'm managing. Let me just put the stop loss. Okay, so we have 29738. Let me put the stop loss before I forget. 29738, and then take profit 29223. 29223. What is this? 29223. Let me confirm the stop loss again. See network went off. Okay, correct. Okay, so I'm done with that. Okay, back to the drawing board. So that's it for GU. That's it for EU. Then let's see gold. Okay, still going up. Okay. Those of you who are wondering why we're not selling gold, that's at an all-time high. So back to what I was telling you about the VIP membership course. I said with this you can be able to learn all you need to learn about trading and get into professionalism. Okay, so you can do this per month, and in 7 months you're done with the courses. And take notes, there's going to be an examination once you're done, of which after the exams, you'll be certified and you graduate as a professional trader. Okay, and all of this is offered you on the website. So you don't need to be jumping here and there looking for solution into your trading career. You can learn online. Now, for someone who says, "Oh, but how can I learn when I don't have money?" You click on training videos, sorry, excuse me, and you're going to find over 100 free training videos that has been made specially for you to guide you. Okay, I got you. Okay, I didn't leave you the way I was left when I was a novice. I created for you what you need. So with these training videos, you're good. Then market outlook, you're good. So all you need to do every time you come on this website, you go on training videos, you go on market outlook, you see what the market outlook is, and you're going to win. And as long as you're on the free channel, so you can see the GU entry was posted on the VIP channel and the free channel. As long as you're on the free channel, you should be able to make at least up to 200% of your profits, of your capital every month. Because on that free channel, I'm going to be posting GU. G will give you at least 50%. I'm going to be posting GJ. Of course, I haven't looked at that. Let's go there. I think it took stop loss. I gave you an entry to take on GJ. So we have GJ and GU for the free community. Okay, so we took stop loss on GJ. It got induced. Okay, so wrong setup. We're going to look out for a new move, and I will give you the next entry. Okay, so we have GJ. GJ gives you a high risk to reward ratio. Okay, and then we have jump 25. We have volatility 25. All of these are for the free community. So straight up, let me show you jump 25. So as we round up now, we're also going to show you jump 25 and volatility 25. So the analysis was done, but the entries haven't come in yet. So I'm just going to show you my perception, what I'm seeing, and then also let you know what to expect. So this is volatility 25. So it tested. This is our liquidity point. So we cannot go in now. The directional bias is not clear. We're just going to keep our eyes on it. And then this is jump 25. So it's taking out this liquidity as I was waiting. So I think for jump 25, we can actually buy. We can actually buy. Well, not far. I think a short, but the pips are too close. They're too close for me. I would prefer to look closely again to be sure, because it tested here, but it has tested many times. So I'll wait for another breakout before I decide if I'm going to buy jump 25. So, but these are the free entries I post for the free channel. We have jump 25, we have volatility 25. These two can give you 100% profit to your capital on derivative. Then we have GU, GJ. These two can give you 100%. We're making 200%. Okay. So on the free community, you can make money. No excuses. You can make money. All you need to do is when you get on the website, come to more, click on free channel, and join the free community. So we have the Telegram, not very active currently. We have the WhatsApp, very active. So you can join the WhatsApp, get on board, and we will take you from there. So with the free community, you can aim, and having aimed, you can now be able to subscribe for a higher level. Okay, but you need mentorship. Don't rule it all out. So we have the earning side of our website, and many people don't understand what it is. Two segments. The first one is account management, and the second one is partnership donation. The account management just clearly states that we're managing any account for you, we share 50-50%, 50-50 profits for whatever comes. Okay, so we're managing an account for you, 500% profit comes in a month, 250 goes to you, 250 comes to us. Okay, then we have proper account management person, of which whatever the account size is, 10% of the account size is what you pay us for person. And then after the person, if you want us to manage it as a live account, then of course, profit share is 50-50. Then we have partnership donation. Those people who love what we are doing in KFC trading, they just want to support and be a part of what we're doing. We're letting you know that whatever donation you give to us as a partner, you will get a 10% appreciation benefits per annum. So these ways you can aim with us. So this is all we can take for today, for today's live trading session. And I'm going to be hoping to having you on the updates, because on the group I'm going to be giving updates. On the comment section, you see the website kfctrading.com. So make sure you visit the website and check out what we have there. Beautiful products for you. I didn't even tell you, I forgot. I didn't even tell you we have a store. So as a trader, you are making money and you want to buy some things for yourself. You want to buy a car, whatever you want to buy, you can buy it on our store. So life is made easy with KFC trading. Life is made easy. You start up a career for yourself, you make money, and then you can buy the things you need for yourself to live a beautiful life. Still on the website. Updates will be coming to you on the free community. Updates will be coming to you on the VIP community. And the next time you're going to be seeing me again is during the weekly review on Friday or during the weekly analysis. I'm going to see if I can give you a new video this week, educative video that can guide you also on your skill. But until then, I want you to keep winning. I want you to succeed in trading. Just know that I'm rooting for you. If you're here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that. Okay? Turn on the notification button so that whenever we post a video that are helpful and informative, you can be notified. Is that okay? So see you on all the platforms. Remember, this live trading session is in partnership with Headway. You can create a Headway account as they are giving out 75% bonus to new accounts. 75% bonus on your deposits to new accounts as long as you deposit above $50. Okay, if you do below $50, you get 50% of your deposits on your account. And also remember, if you don't even have money to deposit, as long as it's a new account, Headway is going to give you 111, that's $111 free to trade. Okay, or which they give you 7 days validity period, and whatever you make on that is yours, but you can only withdraw based on how you trade. Okay, so you want a link for Headway, just check our profile on the YouTube channel. You see the link, then I recommend trading X Mastery Prop. You see the link also for trading X Mastery. So until the next time when I see you again, make sure you keep winning in the market. See you soon.